Good morning, girls. It's Thursday's maths we are going to do, so let's warm it up. So get off your seats and let's sing. Clap your hands. Listen to the instructions. You can check your fingers. Right, we warmed up. Right, let's look at the problem solving. I know there is a bit of a light shining on here, so just follow me. Count forwards and backwards in fours from 48 to 0. So get your counting charts out and your flip files, and I've already highlighted counting in fours. So all you're doing is putting your finger on the 4, counting to 48, and then backwards again in fours. The problem solving. Hannah took a reader with 60 pages. Yesterday, Hannah read 20 pages of her English reader. Today, she read 28 pages. How many pages of her reader did she read, and how many pages left over for her to read? Right, there are two answers here. So we're going to focus on the first sum first. The question for the first sum is, how many pages of her reader did she read? So let's circle the pages that she read. It was 20 and 28. So that's your first sum, and you have to write a sentence. How many pages of her reader did she read? She read, or Hannah read, blah, blah pages. Right, now there's a second part to the question. Let's just change the color of the pen. How many pages are left over for her to read? So how many pages were in the book? There were 60 pages. You then have to take that 60 pages and take away what she has read, and that would give you how many pages she still has left. And how many pages left over for her to read? Hannah has blah blah pages left to read. Or there are blah blah pages left over. That's your problem solving. Right, let's look at the COVID maths worksheets. Oops. Count the toes on the feet. There are blah blah feet, so let's go. Let's count in twos to make it quicker. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Altogether, there are blah blah toes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. You could also count in tens, which would make it a lot easier, but when we've come into the sum, it's going to change again. But you could count in tens. So let's count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Right, this plus sum is going to be quite a long sum because we've got to add up each foot. So let's go. 5 plus 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 5. we've got to have 14 fives. So let's just count because I've lost track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 equals. And I'm going to show you counting in tens as well. Right. So how many does it equal? Let's double check. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. And then it says a multiplication sum. So that's why it's so much easier to do a multiplication sum. So how many feet are there? There are 14 times 5 toes on each. And 14 times 5 gives you, there were 14 fives here, and when you added them all together, you got 70. I'm going to show you how to do it in tens as well. So let's just clear this. There are how many feet? So let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 feet. And together there are how many toes? We counted 70. Right, let's do it a little bit differently. So your plus sum could be 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals. So let's just count to make sure we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got to have 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which gives you 70. So you could say that you had how many pairs of feet? So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pairs times your 10 toes equals 70. So you could do it either way. I'm just showing you two different ways. Right, counting in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So you can see that counting in tens is a lot quicker and easier. Count the bundles. There are how many bundles? Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And altogether, how many sticks? So in a bundle, there are 10. So let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 sticks. And what is your plus sum? We've got to go 10. Oops, what is it? Yes, you can actually do it in 20s. But it says how many, let's work on the bundles. So let's go 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. But that's taking too long, isn't it? Right. So it gives you a clue at the bottom here. It counts in 20s. I think that's a lot easier. Let's go. Let's do it in 20s and see how much shorter it would be. 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. And if we add them up, let's double check. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. We will get to the same answer of sticks. Multiplication sum. So let's see, how many bundles were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bundles. Right, so there are 10 bundles. And there were how many sticks in each bundle? 10. And when we added those all together, we got 100. And let's do this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. Does that work out? No, because we are counting in 20s, correct. And often we make these mistakes, and I'm doing it on purpose, girls, because I want you to be double checking your work. You would think, okay, I was counting in 10s, I'm going to count in 10s here, but we are counting in 20s. Right, let's go. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Let's double check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Right, we have double checked our work. Bye.